simple, brother. Because guess what? You're there in a party, brother, I notice you. I observe every little thing, you know. I remember saying, if I did move like how you move, but dead.
I'm not lying. But that's true, man. Drop them guards still not that
back to yourself.
Then you know, when the boy, when the boy fire a shot on the boy, man. When you fire a shot on the boy, no. After me have to hold Poachy in a bad man. And the Poachy I take a whole of them, you know.
Them not say you have to clot all to a fight dog. But a
Be a madness dog.
Remember someone come back around mad for them.
I look a warrior said you dog, they don't want to do that, but you know.
I just say things like that.
But still, differently, you know. Yes, that boy son them, you know.
Eh? Them boy they look like we've got tape on them boy they can, you know.
But differently, you know. Boss, I tell me say for those go and take someone leave off and thing, you know.
Well, if I say you have to go in, just say it have to go in.
You look back from straight dog, you see.
That's what I mean. Boss, when I say I come page and bring it on the road, but I tell him I look for your condition first.
Yo man, and all that come on to you know that, because right now tape man want to take on them boy they can't you know.
You chat him and you hear what I got on dog.
Oh yes, a family man.
You hear that.
So you go on.
Dog.
But still, you don't have to come on the road, because guess what now? Me have to page the youth down with some other same way.
You have to say 40 dog, just do it for you.
More you take care of yourself a little bit.
I want to don't know man have to just
You have to look out your head too, because the boy is skinny there. The boy coming like a bat.
Oh, you say man.
You know what I say differently. When I look on it, come like a boy deal.
That me as a thing, you know dog.
You know so much shot to fire for a boy when you dog. Much shot to fire for a boy in the dog and the boy dog.
Boy they come like him and walk with you. Hide up and me nah like my teacher.
You know yourself, man.
But me have a baby take on him can't see. No say nothing man. We just wait till the man and get better up and see me.
Hello. Watch out now, mama. We tell you say we are come page you. Listen to me, man. Actually, I don't even know I'm agree about the situation same way. We are come. Put up on the road. We're right up the road. Alright. Yo, we link up there.
Just say things said for me. Just there go and hold them man.
Do it,
That man nah lie.
yeah, man.
Bro, God.
Yes a family man.
Short, man.
Yes,
sir. You say, go here, what I got on here.
That man want to take on them boy they can't see me.
Yeah, you can't do my skin and top shoot and shoot.
They come like an idiot. I just lizards that. Them boy are idiot shoot. I'm not even to rate them. I show them bossing it. No bust out them boy then. They come like I give that a youth the ratings. How I'm doing? Them boy the dog. Them boy they can't shoot like we.
I sure man I go on
Now
that.
give them boy no ratings, brother. Yo. Forward in, man. I move, so.
Oh, me I move.
Shaky.
Nah, I move shaky. Me I rake up my hand and thing.
Yeah, man, I talk to you, brother, and you still a move rate.
Oh,
You know so what they did? The man them forward.
Rich
I'll
man.
kill a little youth out there, so.
I don't hear about that.
What you mean you hear about that?
I don't hear about that. Big man pretty not hear that.
Leave that, my dog.
Real talk, man.
Right, that's all.
I really think, man.
Right now, not even keep out there, you know. The two youth them when they are the dance, I hold them.
Frank and Son, you know?
So you say no know about it?
Are them dead?
It's Frank and Son, then Frank and Son and the man them we are look for. So you don't see them?
No, I'm not see them for man.
You say boy know something in our house.
What you talk about?
Plastic smelly dog, I sure in a dog.
Yeah, ball gun for you, so what you doing?
Yo, pop off that. There go that. There go that.
Yeah,
I'm
move,
killing for
so.
you.
Yeah, move, so. Relax, man.
I can see a thing.
Give me a chance, man.
You have a chance. We
No
have a
chance,
question.
man.
We don't do no violation.
I mistake me met, man. Them pass through this morning, man.
Them pass through this morning?
Yeah, man. I mistake me met, man.
So where them go?
You know, so them go for Beverly up yesterday, there.
Yeah, man, them pass this morning, man, isn't it?
Alright, 2 more.
Yeah,
boy.
hold it. You tell them, man, kill some of them, look. Because you know, keep out the eye in that place, no. I don't know if you're not going to man a components and shoot, man. Eh?
Protect them to boss. You go up like farm and that place, you know.
Be a thing, man, them a go on with dog.
Yo,
And
hold
informative.
the rake,
Isn't it,
man.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I link this man and give back the strap.
I like the firearm, I don't know.
But we know how to go on first to we get
Alright.
back that.
You want to bother time man himself come play game.
Alright, big up yourself. Hold on the bull. What you doing, General? You know,
Where's that?
you know, say, Frank and son, you know, say them a move side there, like, you see me? They're not straight, you know? Them a link with the nigga who kill you out of a garage, you see me?
See, nigga, they will kill you out.
Yeah, man. Frank and son. You see me?
You don't know what I say? If I the youth over the garage, skinny, and the same you boss went in for deal.
Yeah.
Alright, no say nothing. As I tell you, link him tomorrow and give back the strap.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Lord. Yo, house empty. All the thing in your dress and bed.
No, man, no, dog.
Look like cat is smelly right.
Boy, skinny have good eyes out, man.
Kim! Kim! Yes, girl! What one? I mean, your first a big old thick sheet, you know what? Yes. I hope so. I should follow that sheet. You want me to help you? Yeah, girl, cause the sheet a stressor. The sheet and the phone.
Me say, you can't believe say after me go look for the boy. You know me at all, don't you?
Such man.
Yeah, the boy wants some. You see me? And I tell him say no because of the first time, yeah. You see me? So anyways, the boy take it, you know? He take it.
You take it?
But I tell him.
Wow. Sexy thing.
Oh,
Dear man, I love the ties though.
thank you.
Alright. Yeah, watch it. Put up them paper here. And just get everything up. Put on the desk room there. And them phone. So yeah, deal.
Yeah. Where you up to?
That's my dear. Never believe you say you come.
Yeah.
You don't know, say you have your man already and your man love chat. So I feel say, man, follow you go everywhere.
No, sir. You know what's them already already. You know that go.
What is it? Same like how Peter fall off by what? Dumpy.
You're full of joke though.
What do you do it? Come on. You go on. So no man go on. So yeah, move so.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Oh. Oh, we are move.
You don't know.
Oh, we are move.
Be that you come on where you move. Just come in a room so try.
So where you go when we come in?
That if one look hug or something.
So let's just over Peter.
It's Peter. Don't worry about him, man. I'm dabbing, I'll fix him, man. So you know so.
Just take it so.
Just take it like just take it like that, my friend.
Condom and all these things.
Little bill girl.
Strictly little bill. So what if?
What if? Well, I can't do more than carry it.
Uncle Peter so.
That's when Peter left already.
And Peter left already? What me think yesterday you know say?
We can't mad with Peter because Peter don't change, isn't me?
So you're going to work with this one?
Yeah, but I don't know what being change.
So you have 2 man, I want to them to change. So you go get her.
I'm going to stress me, man. I can't bother. I just can't bother. Swear.
I feel your pain, I feel your pain. Understand.
Rough. That's just how it goes still a part of life, isn't it?
You're supposed to hear about a youth named Skinny.
Skinny?
Yeah, our boss right there.
No. I haven't heard.
Well, him claims right now. Where was it now? Him want an eagle. Him fly far in the sky, but nobody can shoot off him with a catapult. You have to use a gun.
Okay.
But him claims say nobody know where, man. But anyway, you're new to the business. Can't tell you too much about the family. But the girl named Kim, why you find out from him if he knows Skinny? She knows Skinny.
I know Kim. I hope never find out from somebody I know.
You wanna ask question?
Really?
You come and look for me, sir. Yeah, man, you just get some details and then
So what's so special about Kim?
you ask too much question. Me want you will see if you can get in touch with the girl named Kim.
Where she come from?
Hello. Either way about this. The easy way. Where you move, so? Sit down. Listen me. Where you move, so? What you mean? Like say if you do anybody else, you run through it. Listen me know say you know that girl. Every street and every lane. Me have an eye out. You know what time a morning rooster talk crow?
No.
Need to figure out that. But anyway, what you do what I tell you for you.
Okay. You try to do for me?
What you worry about?
I'm not worried about nothing.
Listen what I say. I want you to do what me tell you for do. You hear that? I have to look out for bossy. And I fall never fly out of this. Me want to hold him. So I want to get to the girl, me tell you forget to.
Okay.
Yes, yo. Before you come now, I deal with my business now. Get bossy business ready up and everything. Yes, what I mean? And we not just accept any woman or any man inside the family. So. And for me, like you enter another house, you're supposed to know that. When you find a girl, let me tell you, find.
I will try my best.
So you hand my shake, so.
Because I'm nervous.
Me a kiss them. Me are on the head now. See them?
What are them? I say, the boy even asked me about you, you know.
Ask about me? Some ask about me for?
Ask about you and this guy with name Skinny, but I don't know him, so.
I don't know the name Skinny. You sure of me?
I will name Kim, no, I will name Kim.
And Skinny?
Yes.
In the description?
No, never give me no description, but Max, me feel. I tell him, so I don't know nobody named Kim. I say I like me too.
I don't understand him ask, but I can't
and he not give me no details either. So I don't know what going on.
Bad bully ever up to some type of things. But whenever they chat, you know, ever they run him out. Understand? I can't take female opinions, but when I know about nobody named Skinny. I mean, name Kim, yes, but
I don't know no Kim. I don't know no.
You should get a description of this Skinny. And why am I ask about Kim and Skinny?
You don't give me no description either, but I know what you matter.
So bad bully boy, never they run him out. You can't pay no chicks for you know. Style and I call him I use.
I use craft for me. I just can't bother you, man. Just can't bother.
But you have to go bother. And I think you have to go bother.
At some point.
At the end of the day, you do something leather belt. So, you know, say anything can happen, any game can play.
That's true.
Nobody go stress out yourself.
I know some love stress out, not true.
Because if you come, you just come and...
yeah, forget take care of it.
I find the bad bully ask about Kim for asking him.
Find out?
Yeah, you have to go
see
find
when you
out.
see me, I go ask
When you see him again?
Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure.
Be right in.
You know what's me I can go home? I don't want me to call the phone.
Alright girl, I'm that year same way.
Yeah man, big up yourself later.
It's a 40.
Yeah.
Hello? Babes? Hello? Yeah. You know what's saying? Bad bully girlfriend just come over, Ashley. And she say, bad bully asked her, I say she know some Kim and some Skinny. But me tell her, I say, I don't know no Skinny. I asked her, I say, if she get a description, and she said no. I don't know I ask you for. If you know that, I know what kind of business you have. Anyways, I like all this sound, you know. Because bad bully, I want to chat him out, boy, you know. And if you can go and ask the woman certain question, that means we can do the same thing. Like you want the girl to get news, you see me? I know. Everything good between you, know. Alright, anything I say?
Yo, Max. Man, been a holy faith before me get me locks on. The more them fight, the stronger me get Super Saiyan. I be money in my trunks for the present and the future, I'm just saying. We never call out when our time figure do the work, we keep on praying. Never straying. Watch them attack, say the thing a shot now. And I hope your man call them want me drop down. Them want me living at the dirt. Lock up in a jail and so the thing work. How prolong. Watch them attack, say the thing a shot now. And I hope your man call them want me drop down. Them want me living at the dirt. Lock up in a jail and so the thing work. My life, life is a blessing. The most I know they see. My regular me see my life is stressing. The moon in my pocket, all my family used to say